Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video is we're going to do the unboxing and our review of the BP Doctor Pro. Let's go! Hey you guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And for today guys is we have here the BP Doctor Pro, and this is a special watch because it will measure our blood pressure since it has the inflatable cuff. Alright, so now guys, this is actually from Yi Technology, so I actually put the link on the description box if you want to check this product out. Alright, so here is the box of our BP Doctor Pro, and on the side, so we have here the model and also the color, which is bright silver, and at the back, so there's none. So let's open this one. So done, our BP Doctor Pro. So let's take this one out guys, and okay, so inside we have here the okay, we have here the charging dock guys. Okay, what else? So we have here the charging cable. Here it's micro USB, and we also have here the diameter strip, and we have here the quick start guide, yes, and also the instruction manual. Okay, so guys, this is just a disclaimer. So in the manual it says here there are differences or errors in the data due to individual difference, usage methods, and habits. So please refer to the actual usage. So guys, it means that this is not really a medical device, and health data provided is for reference only. So guys, take note, it's only for reference only. So as we know that nowadays it's really health is very important. So having this BP Doctor Pro smartwatch can actually help you in tracking your blood pressure if it's too high or if it's too low. But as I mentioned, it's only a reference. So if you have any questions or if you think that there is unusual reading on your blood pressure, then you must use an approved device for taking your blood pressure. Okay, so I hope that's clear guys. And then we have here our diameter strip. So there are instructions here. So you need to place the strip just below your wrist. So let's check our the measurement of our wrist guys. Okay, so in my case, so it is around it's in 7, yes. And when you are going to wear the watch, then you can lose this one to two holes, yes, yeah, like that, so that you can get a proper reading. Okay, so let's have here guys the watch. So I already took out the plastic, so let's turn it on guys. But before that, let's check the parts of the watch. So as you can see guys, we have here the silver color, and it's quite heavy guys. It's because the material that they use, perhaps it's metal or mixed with stainless. Okay, and then on the right side we have here the blood pressure shortcut, this one, and this is the power on and off button. Okay, and on the left there's none, and at the back, so you have here the sensors and the charging pins. Okay, and on the strap guys, in silicone, and then beneath we have here another parts. This is the air cuff. So this is the one that will inflate whenever we measure our blood pressure. So it will really look like we are using a blood pressure like a wrist style. Okay, so let's turn it on guys. Okay, so upon turning on, you have here the Yi Technology logo, and we have here the watch face. So let's check the watch face guys. So like okay, just long press that one, and then let's count 1, 2, okay, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we only have 3 watch faces. And when we scroll down, guys, so we have here the shortcuts, okay, the brightness, and we have here Bluetooth, and we have here the power saving mode, okay, alarm, and I think this is the do not disturb mode, and shortcut for the settings, and vibrate, okay. Yes, and then on the upper left you can see there the time, and on the upper right you can see the battery percentage, and then when scroll up it will direct us to the message shortcut, okay. And then when we swipe to the right, then we have here these shortcuts for the kcal and the steps, and when we swipe to the left, then you can see there the blood pressure, the heart rate, and the SpO2, okay. And then okay, when we press here the menu, so it will give us the different applications, the BP, SpO2, heart rate, workout, alarm, calorie, sleep. We also have here, guys, the weather, and we also have here the HRV. So it will run automatically during sleep or light sleep, so it will analyze your sleep state, yes, or your mental state, and arrhythmias, and heart rhythm, and as well as your heart rate. Okay, so that is really good, guys. Okay, so now let's go to the main feature of this watch, which is the blood pressure. So let's test this one, guys. Okay, I will be wearing this one. Okay, guys, so as you can see, let's check the blood pressure, our blood pressure. So as you can see, guys, it's already fit. So for me, I will loosen for like 2 or 1 hole, so that it will not be too tight when we take the blood pressure. Or let's just loosen it for like 2 holes, and then let's wear the watch. Okay, so as you can see, there is actually a quick start guide, guys, so you can refer that one, so you will have no problem navigating the watch. So we have here BP Doctor Smartwatch quick guide. So as you can see, this is the application, okay, smartwatch application, and then the diameter type. So for daily use, please loosen 1 or 2 holes until comfortable, so not too tight. So blood pressure measurement, so keep the height of the wrist and the heart consistent during the test, and keep the body as stable as possible. Then guys, just a reminder, do not drink coffee, smoke, or exercise 30 minutes before the measurement. Take a seat, relax the body, and avoid exerting force, talking, and moving. Yes. So there are 2 ways to take measurements. So you can press the home button and touch the blood pressure, or press and hold the home button to begin measuring. Okay, so I will be testing this one, guys. So it says here we shouldn't really talk, so I will be testing this one. Okay, in a while I will try to relax. So now, guys, I'm about to take the blood pressure using our BP Doctor Pro. So this is the box, and I will just place it like this, yes, so that it is placed in the level of my heart. Yes, I'm sitting right now, and as you can see here, guys, okay, so there you can put your 2 fingers just below your wrist to measure. So it's in here, and I will be focusing also on the air cuff, so that you can see that it is actually inflating. Yes, so I will do like this, guys, in here, and let's stop talking and let's measure the blood pressure. Alright guys, so we have here 125/90. So that's my blood pressure using the watch. This is our first take. So I will be testing this one 2 times, and let's see the comparison of our Omron BP apparatus later on. Okay, so that's 125/90. Alright guys, so our result is 119/82. Okay. Okay, so now guys, I will be dividing it 2 times, and then let's check the result. Alright guys, so I will now be testing the Omron, and I will try to check this one for around 2 times, and let's check the result of the BP Doctor Pro. Is it the same, or is the result too far, or it's just close to the result of our approved apparatus, which is the Omron blood pressure monitoring? Okay, so now I have here the cuff connected to my left arm, and let's check. Alright guys, so our blood pressure is 121/82. Okay, so let's take notice guys, 121/82. So I will be resting for a couple of minutes, and I will take my blood pressure again. Okay guys, so this is now the second time that we're going to take our blood pressure using our Omron blood pressure apparatus. Alright guys, so I have here the results of our BP Doctor Pro and the Omron BP apparatus. So on our first take of the BP Doctor Pro, we have 125/90, and the second take it's 119/82. And then the final result is 122/86 because we added the systole and also the diastole and divided it by 2. And the Omron is 121/82 for our first take, and for the second take that's 119/81, and the final result that's 120/82. So guys, as you can see, the result of our BP Doctor Pro, that's 122, the systole, and the systole of our Omron it's 120, and for the diastole of our BP Doctor Pro that's 86, and for the diastole of our Omron it's 82. So guys, the difference is not very big, so they are quite closer to each other. So in my opinion, if you use the BP Doctor Pro, then there is a chance that the result of your Omron can be close also with the Omron BP apparatus, which is approved for medical usage. Now guys, my take for this is that although the BP Doctor Pro is a good indicator or a good reference of our blood pressure, there are still some difficulties guys, such as for example, if it's the environment is quite noisy, or if the smartwatch is not properly fit into your wrist, or if it is not evenly placed with your heart, then the result can be different. Yes, okay. So but if you use it correctly, then you might get a desired result, which is somewhat closer to the actual blood pressure taken by your Omron monitoring apparatus. Okay, so guys, and once again, this is just for the reference only. If you think, and if you use the BP Doctor Pro, and if the result is too high or too low, then you must use your approved BP apparatus for accurate result. Yes. Okay guys, so for me it is a good reference, but you have to use the approved apparatus for medical usage. Okay guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below. And for now guys, I will be giving you a tutorial on how to connect your BP Doctor Pro to your smartphone. Okay, so I will now be showing you a quick tutorial on how to connect your BP Doctor Pro. So if you have the iOS, then you go to App Store, and all you have to do is type BP Doctor Pro. Okay, so as you can see guys, we have here BP Doctor, and then just tap on get. Right guys, we have now downloaded our BP Doctor Pro. Just tap open. Okay, just tap on allow and everything. Allow. Okay, then as you can see guys, so you need to register your email. So I'll be setting this one guys. Okay guys, so I'm already logged in. Health, and here Bluetooth, and then tap on Yi. Connect with 5006 pair, so confirm. Bluetooth pairing request, pair, and voila guys, our BP Doctor Pro smartwatch, it's already connected. So let's try guys. Here is the menu of the watch. So they have here my dial, so you can actually change to the different kinds of watch face that you want. Then let's say for example this one, I want multi-digital, so download and install. Alright guys, voila, our watch face is already changed, and actually it looks nice guys. And then you have here blood pressure categories, so you can also check here. And then we have here unit, so what you want, metric or imperial. And I think that's all guys. Yes. So if you have any questions guys about our BP Doctor Pro smartwatch, once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.